Vroom vroom. Welcome back to Cool Rides in New England. This is the final video for the Frazer Insurance car show. This is a short video, but we hope you enjoy all the cars in there. We'll start this video off with a Triumph TR6. TR6s were made from 1968 to 1973. The engine underneath the hood there was a 2.5 inline six. This is a beautiful car in British Racing Green. Very nice restored car indeed. And this is one of my favorite for this show. Absolutely gorgeous 57 Bel Air Convertible. Love the color combo of the black exterior and the red and silver interior. Not much I could say ever bad about this car. Very iconic styling, beautiful lines. I think one of the greatest cars out there. Plenty of others, don't get me wrong, but I just really love the look of these 57 Bel Air convertibles. We're looking at a 56 Chevy 3100 pickup. Red on red.
SHUTTERSTOCK music.
How are you? Your car? Absolutely amazing. Did you get it in this condition, or have you done? Yeah. How long did it take you to do it? A couple years. Yeah. Oh, this is amazing. Beautiful car. You said in the front anniversary edition for
50, General Motors 50 years.
Wow.
We first started in 1908. 50 years.
Wow.
First impeller too.
Yeah. Okay. It came with everything, the Continental package, everything was...
Continental, I took that on.
Okay. Beautiful.
Everything else that came with it.
Oh, thanks for bringing it out. It's beautiful.
SHUTTERSTOCK music.
Now we're looking at a Hertz Shelby GT. This is a rent-a-racer, and the owner is going to talk some more about this.
So is this an actual rental car that you picked up later?
Rental car. I broke the window, I had a crack, it said replaced it, and I found Caesar tickets, parking tickets.
Caesar
Some
Palace.
Caesar Palace right inside. Actual rental. This is the way it came off.
Wow, this is amazing. How long have you had it?
3 or 4 years.
Huh.
But
Beautiful
the only way
car.
you could buy one of these is buy them used from Hertz.
Awesome.
This one, they only made 500 of these.
SHUTTERSTOCK music.
Now we're looking at a Ford police car. I'm gonna say though that it's a clone because it's a two-door. I can't. Possibly this was an actual sheriff's patrol car, but I can't imagine them using one that it's a two-door. By all means, though, I know I can be wrong because I've been wrong before. But it's a really nice looking car, one way or the other, and the owners of this did a great job of keeping it, having it look like a cop car. You have a 68 Mustang Fastback, got 289 under the hood. Very nice blue paint on the exterior. And again, a very nice red interior. Oh, sorry, black interior.
SHUTTERSTOCK.
Love all the chrome. And with these cars, they often don't look as good with all the chrome, but this one looks really sharp with all the chrome accents.
SHUTTERSTOCK music.
And the final car for this is a BMW 3 Series. The owner of this car put on a wide body kit Of course, the wing in the back.
Shutterstock Music.
Looks like it's a bit of a drift machine for the owner, and he definitely has put a lot of time and energy into his car.
Shutterstock Music.
And thank you for watching the final video of the Frazer Insurance Car Show. As I said, it was a short one. As always, we are on all the different social medias. We're on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram, we're even on Pinterest now. So all that stuff will be right up here. And also, you know, if this is your first video, please subscribe so that you can be notified when new videos come up. Next video will be still car show. Following video will now be moving on to the Vermont Lake Regions car show from Fairhaven. A lot of great cars in that one, so stay tuned. Have a great night.